Hello everyone and welcome to Wilson and Family Kitchen. Today we are making whole wheat pancakes. So, first for ingredients we're going to start out with pastry flour, whole wheat. So next we have brown sugar, vanilla, baking powder, baking soda, sea salt, 2 eggs, freshly made forehead cracked. 1 3/4 cup milk. Some melted butter. Well, it's actually 2 tablespoons, but so first we're gonna start mixing our dry ingredients. We don't have a cup measuring spoon, so. Okay, so now we're going to mix in our sugar. We did move things around a bit to make it easier to see. Close enough. So now we're going to have 1.5 tablespoons of baking powder. Now we're going to add 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Egg. Butter. 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Okay, now watch this. Again, mixing up all of the ingredients, no matter how disgusting it looks. We'll know when we're done because there will be no chunks. That doesn't look very appetizing, does it? No. Do you want to hear a fact about Poseidon? He has the most lovers, besides Aphrodite, on Mount Olympus. I will now count them out. 7 goddesses, 36 dryads, 32 mortal women, and 2 dudes, coming out to 73. I'm sorry, I was researching stuff about the gods, and then I came across that, so Zeus only has like 69. For a brotherly rivalry, that's... So, now that we have our butter griddle, we will now take our ladle and make some pancake. Two big pancakes. Yeah, because I'm assuming it means like 4 to 6 big pancakes. Okay, and we're just gonna save the rest of that for later. But now,
How do you know when they're ready to flip?
bubbles. More bubbles, the readier. Ooh. So this side's ready, but not. Welcome back. We're going to taste test. That's good. And it's also like the perfect sponginess. But anyways, that's all for today on Wilson and Family Kitchen. Please make this. Please like and subscribe. And thank you for watching. See you next time. I know you should be able to tell from the rim of the pancake. So.
You okay?
Yeah. Yep. Ow. That's not what to do, apparently. Yeah, I feel dumb.